Hey Bingo, how are you doing today? Got any plans for us? I was thinking that maybe we can go somewhere fun today. What do you think about going to a carnival?
Rolly, that's a great idea. Let's go to the carnival today. They even have surprise toys over there for us to open.
You're right. I forgot all about the surprise toys. We should ask Arf to take us there.
That's a great idea. He'll make sure we get there safely. Hey, Arf, can you come over here? We have a favor to ask.
Hello, Bingo and Rolly. How could I help you?
Well, we were wondering if you could take us to the carnival. We know you can get us there safely in your car mode.
That is no problem. I also have a gift from Bob. I will change into car mode now so we can be on our way.
Whoa! Arf, what is that on your back?
This is the gift that Bob left that I was talking about. We should open this before we leave.
Today is going to be a great day. I can already tell. Going to the carnival and a surprise toy before.
Before Rolly, Bingo, and Arf go to the carnival, let's open this toy. It's a Roblox Series 2. Give me a second to attach these two pieces together. Today we got Blue Collar Cat.
Now that there's some room on my back, let's get going. Hop on. There is only enough space for 2 dogs.
This is it, Rolly. Let's get on Arf's back and get going.
Oh boy, I can't wait till we get there. Let's hurry and leave right away.
Wow, that was so fast. Thanks for bringing us here, Arf.
That was like a carnival ride itself. That was so fun.
No problem, Bingo and Rolly. Let me know when you're done. I'll come and pick you up.
Now that we're here, what's the first thing you want to do, Rolly?
There's so many things to do. I have no idea where to start. I want to check out the gift store for a second first.
We can check that out later at the end of the day. First, let's go on rides before the lines get too long.
Okay, that's a better idea anyway. Rides first, gifts later. Let's start with the Ferris wheel. That's my favorite. Hey, look, Bingo. There's a surprise toy on the bridge.
Whoa, you're right. It's like a scavenger hunt. Come on, we need to get the surprise toy out of the way.
Okay, let's open it up so we can get onto the Ferris wheel. This surprise toy looks pretty cool, but it's definitely in the way.
Yeah, let's get this open right away. I'm curious what's inside.
Great find, Bingo and Rolly. This is a Harry Potter Mashems. Today we got Dobby.
Come on, now that the toy is gone, we can line up for the Ferris wheel.
Look behind you, Rolly. Can't ride the wheel quite yet.
Aw, man, I didn't notice the surprise toy's blocking.
What are you complaining about? We get more surprise toys. Let's open up these toys too. Then we'll hop on the wheel.
Here, let me help. Let's start by checking out this Minecraft Series 15 mystery box. Today we got a Stomping Husk. Now let's check out this Toy Story 4 blind bag. Awesome! We got Buzz Lightyear.
To infinity and beyond!
Alright, all the toys are finally opened. We can get on the ride. Come on, Bingo. I'm gonna hop on right now. This thing spins really fast.
Look at this view. I can ride this all day.
Woohoo!
Wow! That was so fun! Should we ride it again?
There's so many other things to do, Bingo. Let's ride it later. We still have to check out the merry-go-round too.
That's a good point. Okay, let's check out the other stuff first. If we have time, we'll ride the Ferris wheel together.
That's a great idea. We'll probably run into a lot of surprise toys too. Come on, let's get going right away. Look, there's another surprise toy blocking the merry-go-round. We're gonna have to open this one before hopping on the ride.
This is awesome! We got rides and surprise toys everywhere! Let's hurry and open up this Pick Me Pop Bubble Drop.
I can't wait to get on the merry-go-round.
Awesome find. Let's check out this Pick Me Pops Bubble Drops. Today we got Pop Dog the dog. And these bubble drop dolls are really cool because you can blow a giant glitter bubble. Watch. See? Pretty cool, huh? This is pretty satisfying and fun to play with. Oh, we got a pick-me question. What did the dog say when he sat on the sandpaper? The answer is... rough.
Okay, Bingo, let's go on the merry-go-round. Whee! Yeah! I love the merry-go-round. Whee! This ride is so fun.
Yeah! This is so awesome! Oh man, that was awesome! I haven't had this much fun in so long! And we still have to check out the gift shop too!
Oh yeah, I completely forgot I wanted to do that. Come on, let's check out what souvenirs they have.
I'm looking for some more surprise toys if they got any, and it looks like I hit the jackpot.
I couldn't really find anything. What'd you find, Bingo?
I only found one. I'm sure there's more in there. Keep looking.
Oh, really? Okay, I'll take another look in the shop.
Did you find anything this time, Rolly?
Yeah, I found a surprise toy too. Let's open them up.
I got this awesome LOL surprise toy that we could open. What'd you find, Rolly? Come on, show me.
I got this My Little Pony Cutie Mark Cruise surprise toy. Let's open up these last few surprise toys and call it a day.
You read my mind, Bingo. I'm getting pretty tired.
Can you help us open up these toys, please?
Of course. Let's start by checking out this LOL surprise. Here's the secret message, bling plus party. The secret message is glitter party. We get a few stickers. And here's our LOL doll. We got Troublemaker. Here's a closer look at Troublemaker. We'll go find her accessories in a few seconds. Awesome! We found her shoes. Here's a teal sippy cup with glitter sleeves. Here's her outfit. Here's her hairband. It's got kitty ears. And here's another accessory. It's a teal glitter bow. Now give me a few minutes to dress Troublemaker. Awesome! How does Troublemaker look? She doesn't look like she'll cause any trouble. let's open one more surprise toy. Here's a My Little Pony Cutie Mark Crew collectible. Let's pull this string. Woohoo! It's a party! And look who came to the party. It's Rarity, and this Rarity is super fuzzy. And our giant accessory is this hula skirt. Let's have Rarity wear the skirt. Now she's ready for a luau. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to click that subscribe button for more awesome videos. See ya!